Okay, welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're doing oven roasted chicken for the dinners we're delivering tonight. And we put olive oil and butter in the pan. And it's on like a medium high. Now we're putting our chicken in there. And we're just going to brown them on both sides a little bit. And then we'll put it in the oven on 350. This is a sped up version of us browning the chicken on the stove top and what we went through. There was a lot of chicken. Okay, now that we got all our chicken brown, fogged up the camera. We got it in the oven on 350, and we'll let it go, probably the leg quarters for about 40 minutes. The other ones I'm just checking until they get done. And then this is our other chicken that's over here hanging out, waiting to go in the oven. A lot of chicken. Now we're going to make chicken gravy for the mashed potatoes we're doing for the dinners. So we put the pan drippings in here. It's probably about 5 or so cups of pan drippings from our thighs. That we done pulled out the thighs. We got more legs cooking. We got the leg quarters out. Then when this heats up, I'm going to add some flour. Basically eyeball flour. And then I'm going to let that flour cook. And then I'm going to add some milk to it to make it gravy. So right now this is heating up. Our chicken drippings is heated up. We're going to add flour. So about half a cup or so of flour. We're going to whisk this.
Now we're loading food up in the car to be delivered.